Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hootsuite to schedule SEO content on US time zones, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Hootsuite and log in to your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the publisher option on the left-hand menu. Click on Publisher to access the content scheduling feature. In the Publisher section, find the Content Calendar. Open the Content Calendar to view your scheduled posts. To schedule new content, click on the Create Post button. A new window will appear for post creation. Enter your SEO content in the text box provided. Add relevant links and hashtags to enhance visibility. Click on the calendar icon to schedule the post. Select the date and time for your post. To adjust the time zone, click on the time zone drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select US. Choose the specific time zone you want your post to align with. Review the scheduled time and make sure it fits your SEO strategy. Once all details are complete, click Schedule to confirm. Repeat these steps for additional posts as needed. Monitor your content calendar regularly to ensure all posts are scheduled correctly. Adjust any future posts by clicking on them in the calendar. Edit the content or scheduling details if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively configure Hootsuite to schedule your SEO content targeting US time zones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.